for 16-year-old magician, Stanley Zhou.
Hi, Pen. Hi, Teller.
Hey, Stanley.
I can't believe I'm sitting here in front of two of the greatest minds in magic.
Oh, thank you.
It would be crazy for me to try to fool you with a card trick, so I won't. Instead, I'm going to try and fool you with a physics experiment. Now, this physics experiment requires 3 red cards and 3 black cards. You two will be our independent observers to validate the results. I want you to notice that the rest of the deck is well mixed, yes?
Yes.
Perfect. This deck will be our scientific control group. I'll set it aside for now, and I won't touch it. Now, my research has shown that black ink weighs more than red ink. To demonstrate this, I'll separate the cards, 3 blacks, 3 reds, and I'll mix them up, alternating. Black, red, black, red, black, red. If I pick them up and drop them, the heavier black ink will cause the black cards to pass through the red cards and end up on the bottom. Let me show you. There. I think that did it. If we take a look now, the first card, that's a red card. The second card, it used to be a black card, but since we dropped them, it's also a red card. And the third card, another red card. Thank you. And if you're wondering, over here are the 3 black cards. Thank you. Now, I don't know about you, but that seemed pretty fair to me. However, I still sense some skepticism, which is fine because science, like magic, needs skeptics. So I'll demonstrate this again. And this time, you'll know exactly what to look for. Pen, what color are these cards?
Black.
Exactly. So that means that Teller must have the 3 red cards. If you don't trust me, you can check again to make sure. He doesn't trust me. Here, help me mix the red cards into black cards, just like this. First one. Good. And perfect. Now once again, we're going to drop the cards, and the black cards are going to pass through the red cards. I saw it. Did you see it? Pen? Teller?
I didn't.
You didn't?
I didn't.
Come on, you're my independent observer.
I didn't see them actually move. I just looked like you dropped them.
Well, who knows? Maybe it worked. Let's check it out. First card. That's red. Red. And red. Thank you. And over here. Thank you. I'll admit that while this experiment appears to have been perfectly and scientifically fair, I did handle the cards after Teller mixed them. And as a magician physicist with incredibly fast fingers, I might have done something. I might have used sleight of hand. Who knows? So, for those of you who still may be thinking that this is a card trick and not a physics experiment, and to put all doubt to rest, I'm going to create a condition that only physics can solve. I have invented a sleight of hand prevention machine. The first part is this hole punch. Pen? You can check that out. And the second part is the paper fastener.
Okay.
Teller, you can take a look at that. Now to prevent sleight of hand, we just punch a hole in each one of my fingers. Just kidding. What we're actually gonna do is punch a hole in the cards. There we go. That's good. And we're going to use that paper fastener, thank you, to make sure that I can't use sleight of hand to make the cards move. Just like this. Now if you take a look, the cards are really alternating. Red, black, red, black, red, black. And you can see that there's no way we can change the order of the cards no matter which way we turn them. And if you think about it, if this were a card trick, the paper fastener will make it impossible. But this isn't a card trick. It's a physics experiment. I think that did it. Look, that's red, red, and red, and black, black, and black. But that's not all. You see, the real physical evidence is in our control group, this deck of cards. Remember, it was totally mixed up before I set it down and hasn't been touched since. If black ink truly is heavier than red. This should prove it. And if you take a look, you'll see that all the red cards have come to the top and all the black cards to the bottom. Thank you very much. Thank you, Ken. Thank you, Keller.
You think this will?
Sure, go ahead.
Stanley Zhou! Hi.
Hi.
So nice